Foldaway kitchen island storage solutions give small homes a flexible prep surface and targeted storage without a permanent footprint. For small kitchens, start by selecting a mobile butcher block cart with shelves if you need robust prep space and open storage for frequently used pots and pans. Choose hardwood tops like maple or beech and check for food-safe finishes that are easy to clean. Avoid soft woods that dent and stain. If you prefer closed storage, look for drop leaf islands with drawers where the leaves fold down when not in use, and drawers use full extension slides so you actually reach the back. Measure clearances so drawers do not hit adjacent cabinets. Wall-mounted folding butcher blocks are ideal when floor space is precious. Install them on studs or with heavy-duty anchors and fit a simple latch so the top locks flat against the wall when folded. Nesting carts that tuck into cabinets or a dedicated alcove let you slide the unit away and keep casters clean. Pick locking swivel wheels and consider adding felt or rubber rims to protect cabinet floors. For quick conversion, choose a design with collapsible legs and locking wheels so you get stable work height, and then fold and roll the unit into storage. Practice one-handed folding to ensure the mechanism is smooth and safe. 3 common mistakes are buying a unit that is too heavy to move easily, which leaves it stuck where you first put it. So choose lightweight hardwood or mixed materials and always test the cart on your actual floors before buying. Another frequent issue is inadequate clearance for drawers or drop leaves. Measure the full open dimensions and visualize the swing arc to avoid interference, and confirm 2 people can operate larger tops safely. People also underestimate stability and end up with a wobbly work surface, so prioritize locking wheels or leg braces and secure wall-mounted tops with a safety latch or removable support bracket. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a space to discover practical project ideas for small kitchens. We also host a discussion community where our members share hands-on tips, vendor recommendations, and before and after photos to help homeowners and contractors find work and inspiration.